Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to reset Windows 10 Mail app. Click Start button, click Settings. Click Apps. Apps and Features, click Mail and Calendar. Click Advanced Options. Click Reset. Mail app reset successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.